Cricket Wireless is a prepaid service, so you can cancel anytime without termination fees. There are generally two ways to cancel: close your account entirely or transfer your number to another carrier. Recent updates in 2025 have digitized the cancellation process, with online cancellations streamlined through AI assisted chatbots, reducing times to under 5 minutes. To cancel, you can log into your account online, call 1-800 Cricket, or visit a store. Be aware that if you have a device installment plan, canceling early may require you to pay the remaining balance. If you want to keep your phone number, initiate a port out request during the cancellation process. You'll need to provide your new carrier with a port out authorization code from Cricket. This process typically takes 24 to 48 hours. Make sure your Cricket account is active during the porting process and be ready to provide your account PIN and the last four digits of your SSN to the new carrier. If you're simply closing your account without keeping the number, make sure to settle any outstanding balances and return any leased equipment. Remember to back up your personal data, as Cricket doesn't guarantee data retention post-cancellation.